Ship setting sail from the Port of Beaumont before a VIP audience, receiving recognition for the role it will play on the national and worldwide stage.
KFDM's Jessica Crawford reports the ship has two purposes: to help the country in very different ways.
The sounds from a ship set to begin its maiden voyage after officially receiving its name at the Port of Beaumont.
And it says New York, New York on that ship, but this ship is going to be routinely calling right here in the Port of Beaumont.
The MV Liberty Passion, a $65 million ship that's a part of the Maritime Sea Lift program. That's why it drew a crowd of local and national political leaders, including Lieutenant General Stephen R. Lyons of the United States Transportation Command and a member of President Trump's cabinet, Secretary of Transportation Elaine Chao.
They have built this beautiful ship, the Liberty Passion, that will now help to transport all kinds of materials and supplies to points all throughout the world to make sure that the American military presence is strong and fortified.
The ship, created by Liberty Global, is also a commercial carrier of automobiles. That's what it'll do until the military calls it into action. This ship already carrying cargo. There are 1,000 cars on this floor, though the ship can carry 6,500. A boost for the domestic economy and national security.
Economically, great benefit. The Port of Beaumont generates thousands of jobs for our area and our community.
Is it an around-the-world service, which allows it to stop in countries all over the world? We do a lot of business from the Middle East back to the United States and from the United States to the Middle East, and the ships continue on around the world to Asia and come back into the U.S. Gulf.
The ship has living quarters for its crew and several decks that look like a giant parking garage. Though it'll travel the world, it's set to return several times a year to the port where it received its name. In Beaumont, Jessica Crawford, KFDM 6 News.
According to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the Port of Beaumont is the fourth busiest port in the U.S.